2026 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It strikes the perfect balance of fun and function while offering lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat. Visit our dealership soon and start driving today.